Hello,
everybody. Welcome to MACTRON Classroom. Today we will learn how to find the focus in the EZCAD 3D software. Step 1. Open the software. First, we need to correctly open the EZCAD 3D software we will use today. Also, please pay attention to the size of the field lens corresponding to the software. For example, we are now finding the focus of the field lens with a marking area of 110 by 110 millimeters. Then we should open the software named Field Lens 110. After opening the software, adjust the height of the column. Place a piece of calibration paper of appropriate size on the marking table. Use a ruler to measure the distance from the paper surface to this scale line. Turn this knob to adjust the height of the column. The measured height is the focal length value corresponding to the 110 by 110 millimeters field lens. There is a corresponding relationship on this marking paper. It shows that the corresponding focal length of the 110 by 110 millimeters field lens is 160 millimeters. So the height we measure is 160 millimeters. Take this horizontal scale line as the reference point. After measuring the height, draw a rectangle and adjust the parameters. Return to the software and draw a rectangle in the workspace. Unlock the small lock icon here that locks the aspect ratio of the rectangle. Then enter the length and width of the rectangle as 20 millimeters each. Click Apply. Click Put to Origin again. Place the rectangle in the center of the workspace. Then click Hatch. Enter the filling parameters. Click OK. Then modify the marking parameters in the parameter panel on the right. Set Use Default Param to False. You can now change the parameters. For better observation, let's slow down the marking speed a bit. Moderate energy. After making the changes, press the Enter key. After completing the above steps, proceed to Preview and Mark. Click Red F1 to preview with red light. Take a piece of white paper. Check the position of the rectangle. Then click Mark F2 to start marking. During the marking process, we turn this knob. You will find that the light source produced changes in color, and the sound will also vary in volume. Find a state where the sound is crisp and the color is purplish red. That's the focal position, just like this. This is the method to find the focal point in the EZCAD 3D software. Thanks for learning.